this is Shaniqua and Twakwa from Ratchet Incorporated, and do we have the product for you? Let me turn it over to Watermelon Dre and Illumination.
The Ratchet Kit is all-inclusive. Comes in this cool box.
Only 4 payments of $19.99.
Only 4 payments of $19.99.
Only 4
payments of $19.99.
Only 4 payments of
Only 4 payments of $19.99.
Okay, look, we're gonna have to talk about something.
It even comes with your own Ratchet dance book, so you can learn all the hit moves. Step of the Dougie. What is the Dougie? Okay, lean and brush. Okay.
I got it.
Step 1 of the Cat Daddy. Who the cat follow? Anyways, step 1 of the Cat Daddy. Lean and roll like I'm in a wheelchair. The last dance we will learn today is the Soulja Boy. First step of the Soulja Boy is to cross your legs and hit your heel. Step 2 of the Soulja Boy is to lean and snap. I think I have it. Step number, not 2, not 1, but 3 of the Soulja Boy is to place your right foot over your left and pat your knee. The 4th step of the Soulja Boy is to Superman that O. The 5th and final step of the Soulja Boy is to lean and rock your hands and jump. Jump. Jump.
You can either look sloppy and atrocious, or you can look beautiful and extraordinary. Work it, girl!
It even comes with your own Ratchet lullabies for your little Ratchets out there. Hush, little Ratchet, don't say a word. Mama's gonna buy you a brand new pair. And if that brand new pair don't fit, Mama's gonna go and return that.
If you don't buy the Ratchet Kit, you'll disappear into the crowd.
And the Ratchet Kit comes with your own inclusive heels. I can set the runway. Stop! Hi, this is Shaniqua and Twakwa from Ratchet Incorporated. Let's find one of our fellow Ratchet customers. There's one right there. Excuse me, sir. Sir. I see you've been taking our Ratchet fashion tips. Can you tell me about it? Let me tell you my story, people. When I saw the ad, I was just walking down the street and people thought I was the biggest and the baddest. They were pointing at me, taking pictures of me. I was a celebrity. Oh my gosh, I was important. They loved me. They loved me.
And it comes with your own cookbook.
And voila! R-A-T-C-H-E-T. Apple, that's not it. Orange, that's not it. Scotch tape, that's not it. Sour cow, that's not it. Ratchet, hey! Ratchet, hey! Ratchet Incorporated has been selling Ratchet Kits since 100 AD. They've sold in 300 billion, trillion, gazillion, million countries around the world. We have endorsements from Ashtonista Incorporated and Elephantasia Incorporated. It's been a best-selling product and a conversation starter. The product has been rated #1 on the top list of ratchetness. On arrival of your kit, we are not responsible for any injuries. Like your kit, love your kit, talk to your kit in occasions of loneliness, and remember, be ratchet!